Hello friends, welcome to Visa Pathfinders. According to the UK government, all the Biometric Residence Permit, commonly called BRP for short, which is a physical document people on visas are issued as a proof of their immigration status in the UK, is being phased out. In this video, I will give you the full details. Should you really be worried about this if you aspire to relocate to the UK or if you are already here? Is there an alternative in place? These questions are going to be answered in this video.
Before we proceed, my name is Peter, and welcome to Visa Pathfinders once again.
If you are new here, please click the subscribe button to join this family where we share opportunities to migrate to the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, among others, and offer relevant immigration tips to make your dream a reality. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much. So, if you live in the UK on a visa, you will observe that your Biometric Residence Permit expires in December 2024 at the latest, even though you might be permitted to remain in the UK up to a later date if you generate a share code. This is because the physical documents will be gradually phased out, and nearly all visa holders living in the UK will have access to a visa by 2025. Millions of people in the UK with physical immigration documents are being invited to switch to a visa as a major Home Office digital immigration shakeup begins. The government is aiming for a fully digital immigration and border system by 2025, the Home Office said on Wednesday. From Wednesday, April 17th, visa holders in the UK will receive an email from the Home Office inviting them to create a UK Visas and Immigration UK VI account to access their visa. The government hopes the introduction of visas will reduce the risk of fraud, loss and abuse of physical documents and strengthen border security. But the changes will also ease the travel process for millions of visa holders who are currently required to show physical documentation when arriving back in the UK from travel and holidays abroad. If a BRP card is lost or stolen abroad, a visa holder currently has to pay £154 for a one-time replacement, which would allow them to re-enter the UK. Tom Pursglove, the Minister for Legal Migration and the Border, said replacing physical BRPs with a digital system will ensure firm control over who comes here to live, work or study. Pursglove added, "We've already taken really significant steps to digitally transform the border and immigration system, and this wider rollout of visas is a key part of that process. Replacing physical immigration documents with visas will ensure firm control over who comes here to live, work or study, strengthening border security and preventing abuse of the immigration system while delivering cost savings for UK taxpayers. Those who inspect immigration status will be able to conduct one check using an online service, and visa customers will be able to access their digital status anywhere and in real time. And a visa is linked with the holder's biometric information to protect against identity fraud. Invitations will initially be issued in phases. The process will open to anyone in the UK who holds physical immigration documents in summer 2024. Customers will be able to create a free UK VI account to access their visa. Creating an account will not change, impact or remove their current immigration status or their rights in the UK. As you can tell from this news, it is a good innovation that will eventually save both applicants and the UK government a lot of money and other stresses, such as having to travel to collect the biometric residence permit BRP a few days on arriving in the UK, plus you usually will pay about £150 to replace it in a case of misplacement. This is all we have for you today. Until when next we meet, stay happy, stay blessed, and remember that at Visa Pathfinders, it is our pleasure to be part of your success story. See you later in another video.